Hey there, future entrepreneurs. Are you dreaming of starting your own business but think you need a fortune to get it off the ground? Well, think again. Today, we're diving headfirst into the exciting world of entrepreneurship, where you'll discover how to kickstart your business with little to no money. But first, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our valuable tips and tricks for aspiring business moguls like yourself. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty of how to start a business with no money. Number 1, solving the problem. All right, let's dive right into the first and most crucial step, solving the problem. Imagine this. Your neighbors frequently complain about traveling to another town for tailoring services. You've got a knack for sewing, and this is where your journey begins. Offer your tailored services locally, addressing a problem that's been bothering your community. As your reputation spreads and more satisfied clients come your way, consider expanding your services to include alterations and custom designs. Here's the deal. Problem-solving businesses often start small and grow organically. By identifying a pain point in your community and providing a solution, you're not only filling a gap in the market, but also building a loyal customer base. Remember, successful businesses begin by addressing real needs. Number 2, keep your day job. Now let's talk about how to maintain financial stability while you embark on your entrepreneurial journey. Starting a business from scratch can be financially challenging, especially if you're starting with little to no capital. This is where the concept of keeping your day job comes into play. Imagine this scenario. You're passionate about launching your business, but it might take some time before it generates a steady income. In the meantime, holding onto your current job ensures you have a reliable source of income to cover your living expenses, invest in your business, and keep the lights on. It's like having a safety net while you explore the exciting world of entrepreneurship. The key here is to find a balance between your day job and your business aspirations. Initially, you might start by dedicating your evenings and weekends to your business. As it gains momentum and begins to generate profits, you can gradually transition to a part-time position at your day job, giving you more time to focus on your business. Number 3, define your business. Defining your business is like charting your course on a treasure map. It's essential to have a clear vision and a well-thought-out plan. Imagine this. You're setting sail on a ship without a destination in mind. You'll just drift aimlessly. That's not how successful businesses operate. So what does it mean to define your business? It's about clarifying what your business is all about, what it offers, and how it stands out from the competition. Your business concept should be as unique as a fingerprint, tailored to meet the specific needs of your target audience. Here's a thought. Think of your business concept as the North Star guiding your ship. It should be both distinct and valuable to consumers. Take time to consider your target market carefully, ensuring that you're offering something they genuinely want or need. This is where your research skills come into play. Dig deep to uncover what sets you apart. Number 4, market research. Now let's delve into the exciting world of market research. Imagine this. You're an explorer setting off on an expedition to uncover hidden treasures. Market research is your map guiding you through uncharted territory. But what exactly is market research and why is it crucial? Well, it's the process of gathering information about your target market, your competitors, and the industry you're entering. This information empowers you to make informed decisions and develop a solid business strategy. Picture this, you're entering a market where others have already set up shop. Your competitors are like fellow explorers vying for the same treasure. By analyzing their strategies, products, and customer interactions, you can identify gaps or opportunities they may have missed. Number 5, budgeting. Now let's talk dollars and cents, creating a budget for your budding business. Imagine this, you're the captain of a ship and your budget is your navigation chart. It helps you steer your business in the right direction, avoiding financial storms along the way. So what goes into a budget? Well, it's a detailed plan outlining the money you need and how you'll allocate it. Here's a key takeaway, keep it realistic. While dreaming big is essential, your budget needs to be firmly grounded in reality. Consider this, your budget should cover various financial aspects of your business. These may include the cost of producing your products or providing your services, your marketing efforts to reach potential customers, leasing or purchasing workspace, and covering utilities and other running costs for your workspace. Number 6, building your network. Building your professional network is like creating a web of support that can propel your business to new heights. Imagine this. You're a spider, weaving connections that strengthen your business's foundation. Here's the deal. Your professional network consists of individuals who can become potential investors, advocates for your business, or sources of invaluable advice. Engaging with your network is like nurturing a garden. It requires effort and attention. So who should you connect with in your network? Start by reaching out to people who've played a significant role in your professional journey. These might be former colleagues, mentors, or industry peers. Arrange face-to-face meetings or virtual coffee chats to strengthen these bonds. Number 7, securing funding. Securing funding. It's like filling your treasure chest with gold doubloons to fuel your business journey. Most entrepreneurs, especially those starting with minimal capital, need financial support from external sources. Here's the deal. Few entrepreneurs have a Scrooge McDuck-sized vault of gold coins to start their ventures entirely self-funded. That's where securing funding becomes essential. So how can you secure the financial backing you need? Well, let's explore some options. Crowdfunding. Imagine this. You're like a storyteller sharing your business dreams with a crowd of eager listeners. Online crowdfunding platforms provide a unique opportunity for ordinary people interested in your business to contribute financially. In return, you can offer them various incentives based on their pledge amount. These incentives might include exclusive updates, access to premium web content, or even free products. Professional investors. Imagine these investors as your business partners. They provide you with money in exchange for a share of your company, its profits, or stock. To secure this type of funding, you'll need to present a professional pitch that highlights the value your services bring to consumers, investors, and the community. Angel investors. Angel investors are like the guardian angels of entrepreneurship. Unlike professional firms or venture capitalists, angel investors use their personal funds to invest in your business. They're often the first outside investors to believe in your vision. What's unique about angel investors is that many of them are experienced entrepreneurs themselves, making them valuable mentors in addition to financial supporters. Number 8, running a business trial. Running a business trial is like conducting a dress rehearsal before the grand performance. Imagine this, you're a director preparing your actors for the big show. A trial run helps you identify potential challenges, fine-tune your operations, and determine whether your business concept is feasible in your market. During this trial period, collect feedback from your first customers. Engage them in conversations to understand what you're doing well and where there's room for improvement. Think of this feedback as valuable insights that can shape your business strategy and enhance your customer experience. Number 9, scaling your business. Scaling your business is like leveling up in a video game. You're ready to take on bigger challenges and expand your reach. But here's the key. Scaling should be a gradual process, allowing you to make small adjustments without straining your limited finances. Imagine this. Your business has gained traction and you're ready to take the next step. Here are some strategies to consider when scaling your business. 1. Offer products and services to a wider market. Expanding your customer base is a natural progression. Consider reaching out to new geographic areas or demographic groups that align with your target audience. 2. Hire a few employees. As your workload grows, hiring additional team members can boost productivity. Whether it's bringing in experts or support staff, the right people can make a significant difference. 3. Expand your marketing efforts. Imagine your marketing as a set of sails on your business ship. To catch more wind and sail further, consider investing in marketing campaigns that reach a broader audience. 4. Provide products and services nationally, then internationally. If your business concept allows for it, expanding beyond local or regional markets can open up new avenues for growth. Think about how you can adapt your offerings for a national or international audience. 5. Find a larger workspace. As your business expands, your workspace requirements might change. Whether it's a bigger office, additional production facilities, or storage space, ensure you have the physical capacity to meet increasing demands. Number 10, low-cost business ideas. If your funds are limited, don't worry. There are plenty of business ideas that require little to no startup costs. This means less financial burden and a quicker path to getting your business off the ground. Here are some low-cost business ideas to consider. Providing personal services. Imagine offering services that rely on your skills and expertise. These can include cleaning properties. Specialize in cleaning residential or commercial properties, including end-of-lease cleaning. This low-cost business idea mainly requires cleaning supplies. Performing landscaping duties. Offer general lawn maintenance, including mowing lawns and trimming trees. You can also explore more extensive landscaping tasks, such as designing gardens for new residential areas. Basic gardening tools are your main investment. And there you have it. We've covered the essential steps to kickstart your business with little to no money. It's all about creativity, determination, and a well-thought-out plan. Don't forget to subscribe and join our community of aspiring business moguls. Until next time, keep dreaming big, keep hustling, and keep those entrepreneurial fires burning.